Hi everyone. I want to specially welcome you all to today's live trading session. I'm not in a conducive environment at the moment, but I just thought to go live, okay, so I can be able to spend some time with you and show you the directional bias of what I'm basically seeing in the markets for the new week, okay, so that you can be able to trade very well with this guide while we anticipating beautiful entries. So right now I'm going to share my entire screen. I hope you've seen the weekly analysis. If you haven't, you're doing the wrong thing, like I always say. So make sure you have seen the weekly analysis. All right, so my screen is currently being shared, and I want to just take you through what I'm seeing. So this is the dollar index, okay, and I have properly analyzed the dollar index. I told you that based on my top down, I will trade dollar index long on bearish, short on bullish. Okay, so if you look at the 1 week time frame, you see that the dollar index is on the bullish move. Okay, though it's retracing bearish. If you look at the 24 hours time frame, you see that it is bullish, it is bearish, sorry, whereas retracing bullish. Then 4 hour time frame, you see it is bearish. Okay, so if I'm going to trade it bullish for any reason, it will be on a short. Take for instance my entry time frame, which is the 15 minutes. If I find any bullish confirmation of which, let's say, there is a change of character and there is a break of structure on the upside, then I will go short to the next liquidity side. If I find it on the bear side, then I'm going to go long. But the reason why I'm not trading the dollar index bearish now is because of this liquidity that I'm finding on this path. Once this liquidity is tested, like just what's just happened now, it's been mitigated. I will find another entry that will take my dollar index to this point, of which, of course, the dollar index is directly proportional to GU and AU. I will now come here to find my bullish move, of which you can see there are two liquidities, one here, one here. This one is already been mitigated, but I do not buy on my liquidity points. Okay, I do not buy nor sell. I do not take entries. Okay, so what it means for me based on my strategy is that the directional bias that I'm currently seeing is not clear. Okay, so I don't take trades when there's no clear directional bias, because that's when I get manipulated. That's when I hit stop losses, and that's when I lose trades. Okay, and being that I have lost trades in a couple of times, these are part of my edge, to protect my trades from failing. Okay, now even though I get one trade, one perfect entry, it's enough for me. If I don't get at all, it's better for me to save my capital and my balance than I am taking entries that are not A setups and then I'm losing monies. Okay, you know how the market is. The market can be very, very psychological. So that's what I do to help protect, my psychology and to protect my money. So until I have a confirmation on that, I'm going to give you updates. This is silver on the commodity side. It's currently on my liquidity point, though this liquidity now has been mitigated. If for any reason I find any bearish confirmation, I will take it, because if you do the top down with me from the 1 week time frame on silver, you see that silver is on the bullish side. Okay, so that means I can look for bullish entry, but it's retracing bearish. I can go short. So this is it. It's bullish on the 24 hour, then on the 4 hour it's it's bearish on the 24 hour and bearish on the 4 hour. So if I find any bearish move, I will go, since the 4 hour and 24 hour is bearish. Okay, I can go bearish on silver, but until then, this is Monday, there may be no clear directional bias on silver. So this is GJ. And remember at the close of the week, I told you to hold GJ, right? That it's going to buy. Okay, so from what I'm seeing, that analysis may be wrong, though it has not yet hit stop loss. Okay, so let's just still hold and see if it will, play as predicted. So that's on GJ. Then on EJ, there's no entry. On people USDT, which is our crypto, I'll be going bearish if I find any bearish confirmation. Okay, so I was anticipating this and it was wrong, and then we went straight to hit stop loss, so that was wrong. for people USDT. And I think that will be all for the pairs that we traded on the free channel. If you're wondering why I'm not talking on EU, EU is for the VIP community. You can see there's no clear directional bias on EU. So this is the mitigated block. Then we have gold. Gold is also for the VIP. You can see what gold has done. It has gone massively bullish. Okay, so but there was no confirmation for that entry. Okay, so but this also is for the VIP community. I'm going to be giving updates on that. If you're not on the VIP community, it's simple. All you need to do is you can get on the VIP community by going to our website, kfctrading.com, and choose any of the VIP packages to be part of what we're doing. Okay, just click on enroll. Once you click on enroll, you find all our VIP package. Once you enroll, you can then be part of our VIP community, getting some of the VIP signals and the rest of it. So let's just look at the synthetic. So this is the jump 25. Okay, my eyes on it. I've not yet gotten any entry on that, and volatility 25. So once I get entries on these two synthetics, I am going to give you heads up on what to do about that. Until then, I want you to stay active on the group. If you're on the free channel, stay active. If you're on the VIP channel, stay active, as I'll be sending updates on what to expect, what to see in the market as we win this trading week. Remember, this market has really changed. It's not how it used to be during the Biden administration. This is the Trump administration, and it's really changed the Forex market, changed the crypto market. And so you need to trade with much caution. Have your edge, and let your edge be what drives you to take any entry. That way you will win more trades than losing more trades, and you will be able to make quite some money. Go see the weekly analysis. There I have explained how you're going to make money this week. Make sure you follow through the instructions there, and you will be profitable this week. Okay, make some money for yourself this week. Okay, so still I'll be updating you all on the community, on the groups, as we move on this week. So the next thing you're going to get from me is the weekly analysis at the end of the week. Make sure you stay true. Make sure you win this week. I am rooting for you. See you soon.